everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to create KIK account. KIK is a cross-platform application used for communicating with friends in group chats or direct messages. You can also create a KIK account for free. So if you are interested, you can watch the video till the end, and now let's get started. Alright, to create a KIK account for free, you have to go to the Play Store and then you have to install the KIK app. So here I am going to search for the app. So here is the official app that you have to download on your device. So press install. Once the app gets installed, simply press open. As you can see right here, there are two options, sign up or login. So to create a new account, you have to press sign up. Now here you have to enter some information to create a KIK account for free. So it needs your first name, your last name, and then you have to create a username for your account, and then you have to use your email address, and then you have to create a password for your account. Then you have to enter your birth date and your phone number. Alright, so phone number you can also skip that if you want, but it is recommended so that in case you lose access to your account, you can easily recover it. Alright, you can also upload a photograph right here using the set photo option. So let's fill this information. So yeah, it will show you that if the username you are creating is available or not. So my username is available to select. Now you have to enter the email address. After that, you have to create a password that should be unique and strong as well. After entering the password, you have to enter your birth date. You have to just select the date, month and the year. Press done, and now here you have to enter your phone number if you want, and then you have to select this option that says by checking this you agree to KIK's terms and privacy policy. So if you want, you can also go through their privacy policy. Alright, so yeah, select this and tap sign up option. So as you can see, my account has been created without using my phone number. So if you want, you can also skip entering your phone number. Now here you can find your friends on KIK. Your phone contacts will be continuously synced, so you can see who you know on KIK. If you will enter your phone number, all your phone contacts will get synchronized on KIK if you want. But if you don't want to do this, you can skip this step by pressing not now given at the top right corner of the screen. Press this option. So it will again ask you, are you sure? You will have to manually find your friends. So yes, I'm sure. So as you can see, my account has been created. Now I can start adding my friends. I can meet new people using the option given at the bottom of the screen. So yeah, that's all for this video. So yeah, that was all about how you can create a KIK account for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more such useful and informative videos. If you have any suggestions for my next video, you can write them down in the comment section below, and I will see you the next time.